quickly how to do the frog croak sound and put a bit of reverb and change the EQ. So a couple of tasks here. Firstly, I've got my raw sound file. So the first thing I'm going to do is select it. And with that raw sound file, I'm going to go edit, copy to new. All right. So there's my croak. That'll do. I'll save that as single croak. Okay. So now I'm going to create a new multi-track. I've got multi-track here, so I'll bring my single croak in to the multi-track environment. There it is. Now I think the requirements suggested that it had to be a certain single croak was supposed to be 6 seconds. Frog croaks. Notice so. Go back to Audition. So we've got 6 seconds of sound. Let's just do the two croaks together. So I'm going to just pull those croaks apart like that, drag them out. Right. That sounds okay. Just for rough, shift out again. So I'll hold my Alt key and drag out another two croaks. And should be in at 6 seconds. So again, my I'm going to put an out point there, in point adjusted exactly to 6 seconds. All right, just get in there a little bit so I can see it. So 6 seconds. I better move these two closer. It doesn't matter. Those little overlap yellow lines indicate a crossfade, so you can just drag files out and you can see them. I'm going to pull them just a little bit this way so there's enough even space. Try and get an even space between the croaks. That'll do. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a bit of EQ. I'm going to make it sound like they're a little bit higher pitched. So I'm going to take a few of those bass sounds out. So you can see the FX button here. This is where you can add your sounds. I'll get rid of this graphic equalizer from a previous adventure. So I add a new graphic equalizer. This time I'm going to make it put on a simple low high pass filter. Have I got a simple high pass filter? Quick high pass filter. Gets rid of a lot of the low frequencies. So suddenly there's no low frequencies as you'd sort of expect from a frog. Small creature. High frequencies. So that'll do. Okay, and then I'm going to make it sound like it's a long way off, a distant echo. So I'm going to add what's called reverb. I'm just going to add studio reverb will do. Look at my defaults. I like the plate reverbs are generally good. These are sort of more musical ones. I might just try another set, this studio. So I'll see if there's any outdoor or more, just any more effects, reverbs. Ethereal. See what that sounds like. Not quite. A bit too spacious. Doesn't sound like the great outdoors to me. So again, you can keep trying this. I'll just try full reverb. Some of these I quite like that one. I'll just take a few of those high frequencies out. A bit bright, a bit brisk. That's better. Bit more. Bit more of this. Can't take every frequency out, you end up with nothing. I like it, sounding quite like a frog. And there you go. And then finally, File, Export, Multitrack, Mix Down, Entire Session, Frogs. That's it. Okay, done.